Well, hello! Welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am your host, Jen. So this week, time got away from me. I was working on another project and completely spaced out doing my craft for this week. So you guys get a bonus shot of burps. And I just want to let those who are new to this channel know. The episodes, I do a craft while I'm drunk, and I do burp periodically throughout. But if you are here just for the burps, you're going to want to watch the shots. The shots are just a montage of all my burps thrown together. Hope you guys enjoy. See, I was oh, God. What? Alright, well, thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.